Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob, and this is a how-to video for unplugging a pesky turn signal harness plug on a 1970s Ford Bronco F-150, 250, and 350. These can be really pesky, sometimes they get unplugged. You really need to use a lubricant and an awl or pick to be able to get in behind and pull this red plug loose. Now, this is located underneath the dash right down here.
Here's a list of materials and tools you will need to complete this project.
Just be really careful with it because it is kind of soft plastic with how old it is. It's definitely difficult to get it undone. So I'm going to spray it down real quick, let it sit for a minute or two, wipe it down, and then use this pick to try and break it loose.
So essentially we want to use these red tabs to break it loose. Ah, yes. Whew. Finally.
Ah, yes.
Okay, so you can see how this is pushed up. And that is because I pushed this tab towards the center up. And that's what allows it to separate from this plug here. I then also use these two little guides here and pushed along it with a flathead screwdriver, and then also using the awl to kind of like pick and push and get behind it helped as well. So I'm not sure if actually pushing this in really did much, but it did move around more, and I think the biggest contributor was the WD-40 breaking it loose. It's definitely in there, so we want to make sure we wipe it down good. But, whew, man, I've been struggling with that for a while. Glad I finally got that thing loose. All my pins look good. Didn't look like I pulled anything out. I did pull one out on the existing, but that doesn't matter since we're replacing it.
I hope this video was helpful. I've included the product links in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. And as always, I'm posting weekly videos for you guys. And I'll be restoring this 1979 Bronco and continuing to work on it. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe to my channel and follow along. Thanks for watching.